let's take a look at a group of animals called vertebrates. First off, what is a vertebrate? A vertebrate is an animal with a backbone or a spine. In this case, we're looking at the picture of the cat. The arrow is pointing to the cat's spine, which is the bone that keeps the cat in place and structured. How do we group vertebrates? Vertebrates are a group all on their own. However, we can classify animals as specific types of vertebrates. There are 5 categories: fish, amphibian, reptiles, mammals, and birds. We're going to take a look at all 5 groups so that you can learn a little bit more about each. First group we're going to look at is fish. Fish live in the water. Most fish have scales. Fish are quite different from other animals because they breathe using gills instead of lungs. They're plant eaters, so you won't catch them looking for a steak. They have fins and no legs, and they lay eggs in order to have babies. And some examples of types of fish are the goldfish, salmon, and clownfish. And you can see their pictures up towards the top of your slide. The next group we're going to take a look at is amphibians. Amphibians are a cool set of animals because they live part of their life in water and part of their life on land. So they actually begin in the water, breathing through gills. They develop lungs as they become adults, which allows them to move onto land. They lay eggs in order to have babies, and most of them have smooth skin, except for our friend the toad. Some examples are the frog, the toad, and the salamander, also seen at the top of your screen. The next group we'll look at are the reptiles. Reptiles breathe using lungs, but most live in water. They have dry, scaly skin, and they lay eggs in order to have babies. Most live on land, but some live in water. Some examples are the crocodile, the alligator, and the turtle. And you can see those pictures towards the top of your screen. See if you can pick out some differences between the crocodile on your left and the alligator on your right. Our next group is mammals. Mammals breathe through lungs throughout their whole life. And what sets them apart is the fact that most have fur or hair. They give birth to live babies, which is quite different from other animals that we've looked at, and the mothers feed milk to their young. And some examples are humans, just like us, dolphins, and koalas. And there are a lot of examples of different types of mammals. Finally, let's take a look at our 5th group, the birds. Birds breathe using lungs since they live on land for their entire life. They have feathers, lightweight bones for flying, and wings, 3 very distinct features for birds. And they also lay eggs to have babies. 3 examples of birds are the sparrow, a commonly seen bird, parrot, and the turkey. I hope this presentation helped you learn a little bit more about different groups of vertebrates.